Alright, so it's been about 5 days since we've checked out Matic. If you come back here, you can see we were making lower high here, lower high, and lower high on this macro time frame. So we said it was very likely that we come and backtest the 618 here at 150, and you can see we basically perfectly backtested it. We came to 148, so 2 cents off our target, or 2 cents below our target, hit our target, and turned tail after going to the 618. So what to look for now? If we zoom out a little bit, you can still see that we are in this steep downtrend on this dotted line. I won't draw it as a proper line because the Fibonacci line does it well enough. If we take this from wick to wick as well, you can see that this this downtrend is a little bit steeper on here. So what to look for now? We've basically come up and, well, we're basically right at this dotted line. So we're touching resistance right now. So we are running into resistance, but also if we zoom in here, you can see this is the 200-day moving average, and we've kind of finally hopped above it and held 2 daily candles above it. So you can see here we really weren't able to hold 2-3 consecutive candles in a row. So what I want to see is holding above the 200-day moving average today, and also potentially holding above it tomorrow. And by that time, we probably would have broken out of the side of this resistance, if we are going up, that is. So what to look out for now is by the time it's tomorrow, this would be the 177, which is approximately about a 5% move from where we are now. So if we are able to get above this resistance line, then the next move up I see is about another, let's move it to 7, about another 8 or 9% move from where we are. The only problem is we really don't have any buying volume coming in on the daily. We actually have some selling volume, which isn't too good because obviously we've run into this resistance, and there's basically a wall of sellers. Every time we run up to this this resistance line, we're getting a wall of sellers coming in. So if we are able to break above this, then we would be breaking into a slightly more bullish structure on the macro time frame. If we zoom out as well on this macro downtrend of this fib, you can see we've run into the 236, and we are using this support currently. So obviously holding the 236 is really nothing special. This is all the way down here. We would at least kind of want to get up to the 0.5 or the 618, but if we could get up to the 0.5, around about $2, then we could say that this market is potentially turning bullish in the macro terms. But looking at the micro terms, it seems like we are getting closer and closer to this downtrending resistance. Now, we also have a level of uptrending support here. So if we do lose this level here, if we do get rejected, we do have another chance to get out of here at the 165 level on the 13th, which would be about another week from now if we do come down to there. Also, you can see if we take, we've got this fib from higher to here, and we are above the let's see, from this one here, we are above all of our important support. So on the micro time frame, we are looking bullish to potentially break out of here, but obviously on a slightly more macro perspective, we would obviously need to 100% get above 177 before we could even say anything about coming up and testing this line here, which is only an 8% move. But if we are able to break above both of these resistances, then Polygon MATIC would be looking okay. The RSI is kind of flat out in the middle right now, so not looking too good on the daily. We are really getting mixed signals here because we're holding the 200-day, we're coming up to these lines, but also we're getting selling volume, and the RSI looks like it's about to turn over. So we really need to see what happens once we get up to 177. If we can break above 177, then mid to micro term we would be bullish. RSI on the weekly looks pretty much the same as the daily. It's kind of sitting in the middle, and for the Coinbase chart, we don't have any data on the monthly RSI yet. So yep, that's everything that I'm looking at for Matic. Once again, this isn't financial advice, it's just my opinion on the market, and you should always do what's best for you. Peace.